There are three different kinds of research. There's quantitative, qualitative, and mixed methods. Quantitative research is what it sounds like. It's quantitative in its approach. According to Creswell, it's a means for testing objective theories by examining the relationship among variables. So, for example, a study that looks at the relationship between male and female television personalities and dog ownership. These variables can be measured, typically on instruments, so that numbered data can be analyzed using statistical procedures. So the instrument would be a survey of male and female television personalities and maybe the kind of dog that they own, if they own a dog. And then they do a survey, they analyze all the data, and then they give you the outcome of that data. The final written report has a very set structure consisting of an introduction, literature and theory, methods, results, and discussion. Qualitative research focuses on exploring and understanding the meaning individuals or groups ascribe to a social or human problem. The process of research involves emerging questions and procedures, collecting data in the participant setting, analyzing the data inductively or bottoms up by building from the particulars to general themes, and making interpretations of the meaning of the data. The final written report has a more flexible writing structure. So an example of a qualitative study might be thinking about those with pediatric disease that transition to adult care. And that study may be conducted by doing interviews, in-depth interviews of a small group of people to understand their experience and translate that to themes, but not using quantitative data or surveys, but using the person's words that extrapolated into themes. Mixed methods is an approach to inquiry that combines or associates both quantitative and qualitative forms of research. It involves philosophical assumptions that use qualitative and quantitative approaches and the mixing of both approaches in the study. Some mixed methods are kind of more quant with supplemented by qual, and some are more qualitative supplemented by quantitative. The discussion of research paradigms helps situate action learning action research. Additionally, this is really the only exposure you'll have to this research content in the master's program. And as practitioners, we all run across research or organizations trying to convince us of this, that, or the other thing. And this course and this content can help you look at that more critically. So it's actually quite practical.